Alex here, and in this video I want to showcase Skema's powerful ability to track the metrics you care about in real time. Skema will track site metrics, unit mix summary metrics, and area schedule summaries. So this way you can keep an eye on whether you're meeting your pro forma as you're creating your design. If you're making multiple options within a project, Skema tracks the metric for each one and keeps them updated as you create and edit your layouts. Creating a custom report utilizing these metrics to show your client is easy. You can simply go to Skema's metric reporting page, structure out how you want one of these reports to look, add in certain metrics or elements, and it's very simple to sync this report as your design. And once you finish one of these reports, if you want to export it to a CSV or Excel report, Skema makes that very easy to do as well. With these functionalities, Skema makes it easy to meet your pro forma requirements as you're creating different designs.